ワールドすぎてマジ感謝してます。
Facts, and I'm trying to be in Harvey's world. I'm trying to be the roach that you've been earning for, that you've been needing in your life. And everybody need a roach. Everyone needs a roach. What's up, gorgeous souls? Welcome back to the Rated Drastik channel. Today we got something a little special. Shout out to my Drastik ALPHAZ. Yes, we have Q&A with Miss Harvey herself. I couldn't wait. Y'all was spamming it in my last video in the comments like,
yo, your shorty dropped a video of Q&A.
I was like, huh, bet, I'm here. And we here, you here with me, and we here together. This is what we do, Drastik ALPHAZ, all right? But listen, if you're new here, please do me a favor. First off, welcome to the channel. Second of all, it's this button called the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button because there's a lot of XG on this channel and a plethora of other things too, okay? But if you love XG, please hit the subscribe because this is what we do over here, okay? Also, hit the like button, comment down below for more XG. Tell me what you want me to, what you want me to react to, all right? So I'm ready, you ready, we both ready. Let's go. Miss Harvey, Q&A. Let's go.
こんにちは。
I'm ready. Listen. Okay, look, calm down. Relax. We're not doing this all video. We not. Okay? Because why? Keto, listen, Keto, you got this, all right? I promise you do, all right? Home training, that is the key word for today, okay? Make sure you don't mess this up, all right? Because all the Drastik ALPHAZ is watching. Because I have home training, okay? I have home training. You invite me in the house, I'm not pissing on the walls. I promise. I'll lift up the toilet seat. Keep your composure. We're gonna start it from the beginning. All right? Ready? You ready? I'm ready.
こんにちは。
Yeah, that brother's starving.
I'm ready. Y'all ready? Cause I'm ready. You ready? I'm ready. Hang on. Last night I asked ALPHAZ what give me some questions. You lucky I didn't see that tweet. You lucky I didn't know how to read this tweet. But either way, if I did, I promise you, I would have said in all caps. Woof.
5時から8時の間で質問ある方は送ってねって送ってて、
Oh, that was a decent time.
5時になった瞬間にみんなすごいたくさん質問を送ってくれてて、
Okay.
ちょっと気になるものだったり、あ、これ答えたいっていう。
I would have had the best interesting one. I promise you, Miss Harvey, I would have. I would have had the most interesting one. I promise, because I know my Drastik ALPHAZ have been in my comments right under my tweet explaining what I meant. Because I would have said,
その中からいくつかピックアップして質問に今日は答えていこうと思います。はい、
Yeah.
ずっとねこの質問コーナーを昔からというか
Alright,
ずっとやってみたかったので、もっとできるっていうのと、
let's see what the ALPHAZ asked you, Miss Harvey.
ブログとかではたくさん質問に答えてきてたんですけど、直接
Okay.
私の声で質問にアンサーするのは初めてなんじゃないかなと思ってるので楽しくいこうと思います。で見てください。
And the decoration is cute. The decorations is cute. I like the lumifoil they got right there. There's a lot of lumifoils. The nice cute little ponies.
この可愛いこの飾り。
It's super kawaii.
本当にマジで可愛いです。本当にありがとうございます。ハービーワールドすぎてマジ感謝してます。
Facts, and I'm trying to be in Harvey's world. I'm trying to be the roach that you've been earning for, that you've been needing in your life. And everybody need a roach. Everyone needs a roach.
可愛い。 で
It is
私も
cute.
ユニコーンのね人形を
But I'm not gonna lie. I like how you.
3匹3体ぐらい持ってるんで
I like it. I like how you holding them. I really do. I like how you holding this plushie. It's a nice plushie. But you know what would have been better? Do you know what would have been better in her hands? Boom. Right here. Even better. I promise you this is better. This looks 10 times better than that unicorn. I promise you it does. You look at it. Just look at it and look at her. It look like it belongs to be there. I promise you it does. I promise you it does.
どうかな
Alright, let's
小
start
人
it.
図鑑ナンバーワン推し
Alright, it says, who's your favorite I don't know character? That must be a anime. That has to be like an anime that I never heard of in my entire life.
どなたですか？いやもうありがとうございます聞いてくださり
Oh,
本当に
she's like mad excited for this. This is adorable.
ありがとうございます、私本当にマジで好きで小学生の頃からもうず
Who
っ
is
と
it? What's his name? What was his name?
本当にありがとうございます
What's his name?
私本当にマジで
I'm a huge Kobito Zuken fan. Kobito Zuken?
好きで小
Who the Kobito Zuken, blah? You cheating on me?
学生の頃からもうずっと推しなんですけど全部好きだけどやっぱりいちごくれないイントネーション合ってるかないちごくれないちょっとわかんないんですけど、イントネーションは
Well, wait, time out. Is this the guy? This the guy? You cheated on me with this dude? Look at him. Is that a motherfucking strawberry?
大好きで私いちごが大好きなんですけど形といい
I get it now.
あの中に顔が
You
ボ
love
ンと大きくある
strawberries.
感じがもうすっごい好きです、実はねぬいぐるみも買っちゃったあと
Aw.
キーホルダーも買っちゃったやばい爆食い
やばい
爆食いじゃない爆買いクイーン
I meant big shopping
なんで
queen. Oh, so that mean I gotta spend some money on you. That mean I gotta spend some money. Okay, if you like shopping, I like shopping too. I ain't gonna lie, you feel me? But listen, I know a discount store, Miss Harvey. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I love you dearly, but I know a discount store. It's called Former Mills.
Everything must go clearance. Farm on me.
Amy, what is your craziest food combination?
I love the fact that she said it in English. I love the fact that she read it in English. That's a 10 for me. That's a 10 already off the bat. I love her dearly off the bat. That's a 10. Now, what's your favorite combinations? My favorite food. You ready? My favorite food. Listen, boom. My favorite weird combination: eggs, microwave. Eggs, microwave. Now, hear me out. Listen, I'm from the hood. Some days, some of them nights used to be very, very hungry, and some struggling nights. Okay, hear me out. Let me put you on, right? You get 3 eggs. Yes, you don't need that much. You get 3 good eggs, right? Boom, crack them up, put them in a bowl, right? Throw some motherfucking seasonings, whatever's in the cabinets. Throw it in there. Throw some seasonings. Scramble it up. Scramble the egg. You gotta scramble it real good, right? Boom, throw it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Guarantee you gonna have the most fluffiest egg you ever had in your entire life.
Craziest food combination.
Yes.
Banana, salt, and
What the fuck? Whoa. Hold on. Time out. Rewind it back, before you start turning up. Rewind it back. Calm down. You're crazy. Your best food combinations is what?
I love you. Thank you. I love you too.
Yeah, I love you too. Your best. I love you too, by the way. I love you too. But your best combination food is what? Come again?
Craziest food combination. Banana, salt.
First off, that's a barbaric. Hear me out. I know you motherfucking pretty, Harvey. Listen to me. I know you pretty. I know you look good. And in a different dimension, rated Drastik and Miss Harvey is one. But in this dimension, you like bananas and salt? That is barbaric.
And kinako. Do you know the kinako?
Kinako.
What do you
I don't
think?
know. I don't know. What do I think? I think it's barbaric. I'm not lying to you, gorgeous. I think it's barbaric. You know, you like salt and bananas is crazy.
これクレイジーなのかな？私
I just said it. Yes, it really is crazy enough.
は I don't
Sounds like high blood pressure to me.
think so. I love that combination. But
Look, I don't.
but
You love it. I like it. What's the message you got to say to us, Miss Harvey?
thank you so much for always. I love you forever. Your family forever.
Don't. Yeah, we are. Stop telling me you love me like that. Stop doing that. You're making me fall even deeper for you. Look how motherfucking cute that is. Fucking adorable, people. What are you doing here? Don't look at me. Look at her. Fucking adorable. I swear, the beauty it just makes me forget all about the salt and bananas.
Forever なのでね。はい、ありがとうございます。The next. ノーグッドで一番好きな振り付けはどこの部分？
It says, "What's your favorite part of the no good?" All right,
これ
carry
マジでずっ
on.
と答えたかった。もうノーグッド本当にまた違う自分になれるというか、シックなハービーを見せれるのですごい好きなんですけど、私は一番最初の自分のパートの I won't tell you twice, boom, do 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 っていうこのグリンちゃんの肩にエルボーを乗せてこういう愛想レをする。
You see what I mean? You see what I always tell y'all, Drastik Alphas. Like I don't ever miss. Like I might be a little rambunctious, a little flamboyant, right? I might be a little animated sometimes. I do. Look. I won't argue. I hold myself accountable. I do. But one thing I always say is what? A XG video isn't an XG video if not any shoulders in it. It's not an XG show. It's not an XG video if there's no shoulders in it. Every XG video has what? Shoulders. Look. Look. You think I'm lying? Look.
Twice, boom,
Boom.
do 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 っていうこのグリンちゃんの肩
What that say? I rest my elbow on Jaren's shoulders. You know why? Because Jaren's shoulders, in particular Jaren, her shoulders holds the secrets of the movements of the shoulders. You get what I'm saying? The shoulders of XG is one of the most ancient movements known to mankind.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
でこういう愛想レをするっていう振り付けが一番好きです。Thank you so much for asking me.
No problem.
エミちゃん
Next.
お手紙読んでくれてますか？
It says, Amy Chan, do you read ALPHAZ?
Of course.
Of course you do.
Of
Look at
course.
that. I think that's fucking amazing, though. I really think this is amazing. The fact that she reads everyone's letters like that, that's dope.
皆さんのお手紙本当に届いてます。全部すごく温かくて愛のこもったお手紙をいつも読んで元気もらってます。本当にあり
Loki, that's how I feel when I read y'all comments. Like, that shit makes me feel amazing.
がとう。これからもたくさん送ってください。Next.
Facts. Next.
マスターしてみたい言語は
What language do you want to be fluent in? English, so we could communicate like we supposed to. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? I need you to know English. Matter of fact, nope. English and ghetto and ghettobonics. I need you to understand ghettobonics, Miss Harvey.
Of course, English,
Yes.
but especially Spanish.
Yes.
はい。
Yes, I know Spanish too. I know a lot of. You ain't know. You ain't all like Puerto Rican. You ain't know like you You have Australian, but I'm half Puerto Rican. You ain't even know that. You ever talk to a bilingual dude like me? No, you haven't. You want me to speak some Spanish? Okay, Miss, I can speak Spanish. I do it. Hola, mami. ¿Cómo está usted, mami?
けど私もマスターしたいです。たくさんの言語をマスターしてより世界中の多くの人と共鳴して共感して通じ合えるようになれたらいいなと思って
her following, her alphas. She always thinking about her alphas.
頑張ります。みんなも一緒に頑張ろうね。Next.
Look at that.
エミちゃん
Next.
今見たい映画は
Oh, what did I say?
Next. エミちゃん今見たい映画
It says, what's next on your movie watch list?
もあります。スパイダーマンの新しいムービーが出るという噂を。
She like Spider-Man? Holy shit, that's dope. That's dope. That's hot. That's very hot. That's very hot. Because this is why I am a Marvel freak. I have comic books galore. I'm a geek when it comes to Marvel and DC. I love comic books. I love Marvel. I love superheroes. Spider-Man is one of my favorites. See, movie date. Y'all want to see that vlog coming soon? Me and Harvey go on a movie date. Y'all want to see that? Drop it in the comments below if you want to see that movie date. That movie day vlog. I'm telling you right now. Just drop it in the comments below. I'm not delusional.
I'm not delusional.
で、それは絶対マストで見たいです。もうグッズもねたくさん集めててすっごい好きなので、これはもう映画館で絶対に見たいです。Next. 次のネイル何したいっていう。
It says, have you picked the next, what? Design?
見かけたので、
そう、
ありがとうございます。聞いてくださり。本当にネイルが大好きなんですけど、やりたいネイルがいつもありすぎ
No, manicure. So that's fingers, right? That's the fingers, right?
て、今はねちょっとマニキュアちゃん剥がれネイル
that little chipped up,
こ
but
れ
it's
もね
cute.
なんか気に入ってるんですよね。
It's
今まで剥がれたらもうすぐ買いに行ってっていうのをやってたんですけど、この剥がれた感じもなんかロックンロールでかっこいいなみたいな。
That'd be cool. Rock and roll theme type manicure for fingernails. You know what it'd be better? You know what it'd be better? If you do like you go straight ghetto with it, go a little long fingernails, right? You ain't gotta go too long. I don't like them too long, but listen, a little long, right? And it's gonna say rated Drastik
みたいな感じで、ちょっと今はこういうネイルなんですけど、まずごめん。ドクロネイルっていうのをやりたくて、地爪の長さでここにでっかいドクロを全部に乗せるっていうシンプルだけどちゃんとドクロっていうのが可愛いなっていうのをやりたいのと、あと桃ネイル、桃をやりたいんです。皆さん桃もドクロと一緒で地爪の長さで
Oh, that's dope. Like a little puffy little peach on her nails.
ボリューミーにピンクとあと葉っぱとかもつけてっていうのをやりたいです。あと他にもいっぱいあるんですけど、それが今一番やりたいかな。皆さんもぜひやってみてね。それにしましょう。Next. 夜のルーティンはっていうの。
It says Harvey, spill your evening routine. This is going to be interesting. Can't wait to see it.
を見たので、こちらをちょっと共有しちゃいます。はい。日によって
After you get off the phone with me, what do you do?
全然違うんですけど、ちょっと早めに帰ってきてお家でご飯食べれるときは自炊をしてご飯を食べてすぐウォーキングに行きます。絶対ウォーキングはするように最近決めてて。
I walk too. I love that. You love walking. I love walking. We both love walking. I like that.
これはね、どんなに疲れててもどんなに眠くてもやるっていうのを決めました。心に少しでも外に出る。外から帰ってきたけど、もう一回担当運動靴に履き替えてっていうのをやってウォーキングを必ずするようにしてます。できれば30分、短ければ10分ぐらいや。
30-minute walk a day is the best thing you can ever do. I do it as well. I make sure I do it. Because now I moved out in the suburbs. I ain't got to duck bullets and crackheads anymore. I definitely make sure I walk.
で、帰ってきてお風呂の準備ですね。お風呂をためてお風呂に入って、入浴剤とかも自分の好きなやつだったり。
I don't know why. What's up with you and salt, Miss Harvey? Why you like salt so much?
ミネラルもね大事なので皆さん大事ですよ。ミネラルのお塩だったりを入れて、上がったら化粧水を塗ってパックを絶対にします。パックマジでおすすめです。パックしなかった次の日の感じが本当に違うので、私はもうこれも絶対しようって最近決めてパックは絶対にするようにしてるのと、その後
I like that. I like a girl with that like skin routines. I like that. You could put me on to something. I just go straight bar soap on my shit. Just bar soap. Just straight old Irish Spring right on the face.
そして髪の毛はパックしてる時に乾かします。そう、最近ここ変えたんですよね。その後もうこれ本当におすすめなんで皆さんもぜひ一緒にやりましょう。フォームローラー。
フォ
ームローラーを絶対に30分。
30 minutes on a foam roller? What the fuck are you doing? You trying to make sure you fold like a pretzel? 30 minutes on a foam roller? That's dope.
やるようにしてます。マイフォームローラーを去年買ったんですけど、本当にもう愛用していて、それをやっ て、でストレッチングをできれば20分、眠かったら10
20
分
minutes, 10
やっ
minutes.
て、なんかそう
Sleepy.
これもおすすめです。アロマオイルのマッサージをふくらはぎだけでもいいのでやるっていう。
I like that. I like that. I like the room. I like the smell stuff too.
っていうのを絶対にやって、いつももう寝ぼけながら眠いってなりながらやってるんですけど、もうそちらもすごくおすすめでございます。むくみんちゃんがゼロになります。これね、ずっと皆さんに共有したかった。ありがとうございます。
No
Next。
problem. No problem. No problem. Thank you for telling us. Thank you for telling us stuff.
あ、ちょっと面白いやつ見つけました。 XG 以外でした
Besides
い
that, you
職業。
what job would you be doing? What would she be doing? Like, what is like? I would like to know that because wasn't she like in XG at like 2 years old type shit? Like, wasn't she XG forever? Like, never ever. Like, they just always, all of them, majority, the whole group, right? Was just like middle school or like elementary. No, I think there was like high school XG, right? It was like nothing else, right?
すごいなんか
It
学
was
校
something
の
like that. What would you be
小
doing?
学生に戻った気分。今はもう XG 以外の自分を考えられないというか、
I can't picture myself outside of XG right now. Yeah, okay.
XG is my life っていう感じなので、 No XG, no life ですね。
I felt that. I felt that.
もう私の全てなので XG が一番なんですけど、小学生の頃の夢を言うと、動物園の飼育係さんに
Zookeeping? Zookeeping? Okay. Okay. I can see it. I can see it.
すっごくなりたか
I won't be able to do it. I don't like the smell of shit. I won't be able to do it. But power to you. Power to you.
ったです。もう本当に動物が大好きなので、動物さんともう毎日一緒にいたい、触れ合いたいっていう思いが当時はすごく強くて、
Okay.
音楽か動物さんかすごい。
So you like animals. So you're an animal person. I love that, Harvey. Guess what? Come around here. Come around the town. Let me show you around. We got animals out here. Natural animals, actually. We got the mascot of Trenton, New Jersey, right? Possums. Yes, you never seen a possum before. No, you never seen this type of possum. You in Australia, y'all got like opossums, right? Trenton, New Jersey, we got possums, right? And they nasty look, but in a good way. It's cute ugly. You know what a cute ugly is, right? Because when they get pregnant, they get the babies on the back like spiders. Fucking disgusting. Other than that, we also got this one thing, right? It's a rat with thumbs. It's a rat with thumbs. Big ass rat. Size of a pit bull sometimes, right? Raccoons. This is what we got. We got raccoons out here. I don't know if you ever seen them, but we got them. All right? Also, one other rare, but not really rare, animal. Crackheads.
オーストラリアの動物園がすっごく好きなんですね。でオーストラリアの大自然の中で動物さんたちがなんか楽しく幸せそうに暮らしてるのを見て、
Oh, that's
ここで動物さんたちと一緒にいたいってすごいちっちゃい頃に感じて、できればオーストラリアの飼育員さん。
That's amazing, though.
まあでも XG が一番です。 Next。エイミちゃんの食事で気をつけていること。
Any food you're careful about eating? What foods are you into?
最近ハマっている食べ物は、
Let's see.
ありがとうございます。代々木公園が終わって今まで我慢してたものだったり食べたいって思ってたものをたくさん食べたんですけど、気をつけフード
What you on a diet?
体のためを思っていつも食べてるフードはブロッコリーと酵素玄米、寝かせ玄米、この2つを絶対毎日欠かさず食べるよう
Fermented rice? Hold on, did I see that right? Is that she said fermented rice?
ブロッコリーと酵素玄米。
Fermented or aged brown rice? Is that like a fermented? Like, so you like old rice? And it says or aged brown rice. So you like your rice old? What? Miss Harvey, can we have a deep conversation? Say, I might not know what that is, and that might be something common. But from outside looking in, you like salts with bananas, you like taking bath in salt, and you like fermented brown rice? What's up with you and salt? What up?
この2つを絶対毎日欠かさず食べるようにしてます。
Okay.
あとはさつまいもに変えたり、
Sweet potato is good.
お魚中心にしたりとか、
Fish is fire.
自分の体に合ったものをたくさん研究して、こういうの食べたら自分こうだなとか、こういうの食べたらめっちゃいいパフォーマンスできたなみたいな。
And that's the dope thing. She's like, you know what? I gotta make sure. Yes, I'm depriving myself from eating like crazy stuff, but you know, XG come first. I gotta make sure I perform great for the fans. I gotta make sure I perform great for, you know, the music videos, etc., etc. So she making sure her diet come first, so she can, you know, put out the best outcome or whatever she decides to put out. That's gangster.
そういうのをすごい自分で勉強して、ブロッコリーと酵素玄米が体のために食べているフードです。本当に寝かせ玄米はおすすめです。
Alright, you recommend it. I gotta find it. If y'all wanna see me try that on my channel, let me know. I will make a short of me eating fermented brown rice. I would do it if y'all wanna see it.
人によってね、体質によって違うとは思うんですけど、私はもう愛しすぎて、全てがすごいなんかリセットされる感覚があるので、寝かせ玄米は本当におすすめです。あとブロッコリーもね、ブロッコリーは添加物を出してくれる存在みたいです。添加物を排出してくれるって聞いたので、もう絶対そちらも欠かさず食べるようにしてます。
I like my broccoli with shrimp. I like shrimp and broccoli with pork fried rice.
ありがとうございます。なんかこんな可愛いものたちに囲まれながらすごい真剣な話をするのが面白いです。Next、エミちゃんの今ハマっている
into lately? Yeah, what do you eat besides the Rated Drastic channel? What are you into lately, Harvey?
何？ありがとうございます。めっちゃあるんですけど、アニメを見ることにめちゃめちゃハマってます。ちょっと前もね、すごい。
I love anime too. I'm a big anime fan too. So we can sit down, eat some fermented rice and salted bananas, right? Right? We can sit down and do face masks, right? With our essential oils. You feel me? Right? We can sit back and watch anime. I love anime. My favorite is Attack on Titan.
なんですけど、ジャンル問わず全部好きです。全部というか、戦う系だったり、可愛らしいキャラクターちゃんのだったり、恋愛ものだったり、もう何でもジャンル問わず掛け持ちし
jiggy with romance.
て、いろんなアニメをちょっとずつ見てますね。なんかおすすめあったらぜひアルファズ教えてね。はい。おにぎりの具ベスト3を教えてということで、1位。
Top 3 best, like her top 3 feelings, like within food. Okay, let's see.
いくら2位。
What the fuck is shit? What the fuck is that? What the?
1位、いくら。
Is the ikra? Oh, salmon roll. So I guess it's salmon eggs. Number 2. Number 2.
2位なんだろう。2位ネギ味噌。
What is that?
3位鮭。
Salmon. I know what that is. 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 What is 1 and 2? What is that? What is that?
かな？イクラが大好きです。みんなのベスト3も教えてね。
Okay.
Next. 宇宙人と話せるなら何を
if you could talk to an alien, what would you say?
話したい？
Fire question. That is a fire question. What would you say?
ということで、なんだろう。何食べてますか？音楽何聴きますか？ XG の音楽聴いてどう思いますか？とかかな。
That's a fire answer. That's a fire answer.
ということで、
that would ask one of them too.
何食べてますか？
What do you eat? I would like to know what you eat, alien. What do you eat? E.T. What do you eat? What do you eat?
音楽何聴きますか？
What kind of music you listening to? You listen to drill? You listen to rap? R&B? You ever heard Brent Fayez?
XG の音楽聴いてどう思いますか？
Facts?
かな。なんだろう。もうなんか普通のことを聞いてみたい。宇宙に遊園地ってあるんですか？
And that's a fire answer too. Do you like think about it, right? I don't know if y'all ever been to Six Flags in Jersey, right? Boom. There's a ride called Nitro on there. And if you haven't ever been to Six Flags and you plan on going this summer, Go on the ride Nitro, right? Boom, right? Nitro got the meanest fucking drop you will ever feel in your entire life. It will bring up every piece of organ within your body and put it right here in your neck. I'm dead serious, right? I wonder if there is amusement parks in outer space and they got something similar to Nitro. Bro, just think about that drop, lads. Think about the drop. That drop gotta be intergalactic.
Next. 一
Next.
日映画の主人公になれるなら誰になりたい？
That's fire. That's another fire. Y'all coming great with these questions. I'm not gonna lie. Alphas, we like y'all coming like 10 out of 10 with these questions. If I was if I could choose for one day, Pee Wee Herman.
いっぱいいる。どうしよう。でもあります。バックトゥザフューチャーのドック博士。
Doc, that's dope. Can I be your Marty McFly? Can I be your Marty McFly, Miss Harvey? Harvey, can I be your Marty McFly?
旅できるっていうのがマジで憧れというか、なんか羨ましいというか、私もやってみたいですね。Next! エイミちゃんの日頃頭の中で
What do you spend time thinking about?
何を考えてますか？
Fire.
で、XG80%、ご飯15%、自然5%みたいな。面白い。なんだろう。XG50%、動物20%、自分のワンちゃんたち10%、ご飯10%、あと
That's a lot of
10%は遊ぶこと。
That's a lot of animals within your brain.
いやもう動物メインですね。動物メインって言ったらおかしいんですけど、最近はカエルさんがすごい好きなんで
You like frogs? Out of all animals, you like frogs?
すね。カエルさんとかゲッコ、トカゲがすごい好きで、爬虫類さんがすごい好きです。まあそんな感じですね。
Okay.
Next.
Next.
So excited for you to come to Melbourne. Yeah, so excited too. We can't wait. 本当に今回もね、オーストラリアとかいろんな地域に行けることがもうすごく幸せで、もう本当に待ちきれなくて、待っててね。
Yep.
Next. ちょっと面白いの見つけたので、宝くじが当たったら野菜
If you won a lottery, what would you buy? Veggies, fish, fermented brown rice, or other things.
魚または発酵玄米、何を買いますか？それ以外でもか。発酵玄米やばいですね。
What's up with this fermented rice? I want to know how this shit tastes.
宇宙旅行をしたいです。できれば宇宙に行きたいんですけど、まずは世界を知ってから宇宙に行って世界一周をしたいですね。いろんな地域に行っていろんなものに触れ合って。
I get it.
Next.
It's no point for you to travel in space because you're already like a multi-dimensional entity that was already just every music video you're out of space in the spaceship. That'd be a waste of money, honestly.
好きだった給食は何？
What is your favorite school lunch? Favorite
や
school
ばい。
lunch?
本当に給食大好きで、
Okay.
牛乳がすっごく好きだったんですね。
Milk?
みんなが飲み終わる前に飲み終わるんですね。でもうすっごい牛乳余ってたから、それをもう一個おかわりして休み時間ずっとゆっくり飲むっていうのをやってました。ゆっくりこうやって味わって飲むっていうのをやってました。一番好きだったのは牛乳。
I guess.
こんな感じで質問コーナーは以上とさせていただきます。またね、ぜひ皆さんの質問にお答えできる機会があればなと思ってるので、待っててね。
ありがとう。かわいい。Harvey。
ありがとうございました。
Harvey、ありがとう。
バイバイ。
See you later。ありがとう、Harvey。かわいい。
またね。
I'm telling you right now, that would be better. That plushie a better plushie would be there. You see it? I see a better plushie. I see a better plushie. I see a better plushie. Gorgeous fucking souls. Thank you for watching Drastik Alphas. I appreciate every last one of you Drastik souls. Thank you. This was actually fun. All right, but definitely if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe. Also, comment down below. If you comment down below, comment down purple hearts. If you comment down purple hearts, that would just make me know that you watched this video all the way. And also, it's purple hearts for Harvey and purple hearts for me. So both of us will get purple hearts. You know what I mean? Whatever. Listen, thank you for tuning in on another very drastic video. I love y'all dearly. And until next time, gorgeous souls.